school are you guys from?
I'm from California, so I just graduated high school.
Are you guys doing a project or just?
It's our hobby. We're interested in like old historic elevators.
Oh, okay. Bring it back down, right?
Sweet.
Self-leveling.
Is that good?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Guys. You know the first original elevator was on Broadway, right?
Yeah, it's like right around the corner.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Have a good
Thanks
day.
so much.